yards cubed. Okay? All right. Any questions with that? Round to the nearest whole number. Okay. Let's look at problem number 18. Okay, here we have a sphere, right? And we want to find the volume of a sphere. Well, this time they gave us the radius. And we have 15 meters, right? So the volume we said is 4 over 3, and then what comes next?
Pi r cubed.
Good. Pi r cubed, right? Not squared. So we're going to write this as 4 pi times 15 meters cubed, and then we're going to divide the 3 on the end. Okay? And so we calculate that out. And does anybody get a number? Give you a hint. It starts with a 1. 137 meters. What's the unit? Cube. Good. Okay? Because we're rounding to the nearest whole number. We don't put a decimal point. Okay. Questions with that? Alright, on problems 21 through 24, we want to find the surface area of each figure. Now this was not in the book, but it's one like you'll see on the homework. Okay, here's our rectangle, here's our prism. And we have 7 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. Okay, for length, width, and the height. And we want to find the surface. We want to find the surface area. Okay? So, basically, we're looking at surface area is equal to, what we want to do is we want to get front and back. Okay, well if you get the front, you're going to get the back, you just got to multiply it times 2. Okay, so here's our front. Okay, so that's going to be 7 meters times, we want the area of the front. Here's our prism, right? We want the area. There's 7. And what else do we need? The height of the front, right? Which would be what? Well, 4 is cubed. 5, right? 4 would be the depth, right? 4 times 5 meters. So if we got the front, we got the back too, right? Front and back. So we just got to multiply that times 2, right? Now we want top and bottom. Okay? So we'll do that in yellow. And that's going to be, if this is 7, what's this going to be? 7, right? 7 meters times times 4, right? 7 times 4, right? 7 times 4. So it'd be 7 meters times 4 meters. But whatever, if we get the top, we also get what? the bottom, right? So we're going to multiply that times 2. Plus, okay, well what's left? We got front and back, top and bottom. What's left? The right and left side, right. Right and left sides. Alright, so here's our side here. We'll color that in red. Okay? And so that's going to be what times what? 5 times 4, right? 5 meters times 4 meters. And if we get the right side, we get the left side also, so that's times 2. Okay, so again, once you set it up, all you got to do is punch it in. Well, let me show you something here. Notice you got 7 times 5, right? 7 times 5. And then you got 7 times 4. And then you got 5 times 4. So it's like you're taking 2, multiply the 7 times the base, or 7 times the width, 7 times the height. And then width times the height. So, keep that in mind when you're looking at this again, like some other time. You might have again, you may see it again. And, okay, what are we going to get?
166.
166, good. Meters? Careful because it's area, right? Area of the front, area of the back, area of the top, area of the bottom. Because it's like a box, right? It's a box, okay? We're trying to get the surface area of this rectangular shaped box. So it's going to be meter squared plus meter squared plus meter squared, right? Alright, and so we get 166 meters squared. Alright, good. Any questions with that?